Today we tried a large chassis, quasi-industrial manual welding machine. This is our TECHARC brand. Industrial manual welding chassis of ZX7-500IT. This machine is connected to 380 volts. The welding rod of 5.0 can be welded for a long time. Thrust adjustment. The thrust adjusts the current according to the size. We are testing the welding rod of 5.0 today. The current is adjusted to 170 for welding test 5.0 electrodes. (170A) current. A little bit smaller. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Switch to 190A. (5.0 electrode. We just adjusted to between 170 amps and 200 amps. The test welding effect is very good. If you are doing big projects, we could power them with generators. If you need to work with 5.0 electrodes all day, use this one. The arc effect is quite good.